So in this video we're going to show you how to put on these moisture-proof PPC EX6 connectors over the cheaper ones that I showed in the last video. So first of all, we cut off 12mm of the outer insulation. Okay. Like I say, you can use coax tools, but if you're careful, it's normally simple enough to do. Then cut the outer braid by 6mm, so basically cutting it in half. Okay, and we'll fold the braid back, fold it back down on itself like that. If you've got the loose foil on there, then obviously you can peel it off. This is the bonded one, so won't be doing that. Right, next thing to do is to cut off another 8mm off the dielectric. So about 8mm is there. So gently go around without cutting the central. Make sure none of the wires on the braid are touching that centre. Right, you can put a bit of silicone grease on. I'm using the Servsol one. It will just help. It will help these connectors go on, and obviously it also prevents corrosion. Okay, so looking at the connectors, here's one I basically cut in half. So as you can see, you've got like a tube in the middle, and the dielectric goes through the tube. The outer braid will go around the outside of that, and then the jacket goes over and is crimped on, and that locks it all into place. So these are very good connectors. So taking our connector, so if I take that shoulder off, you can see what happens. Be careful you don't slide through and that hits you in the finger. So it goes in there, dielectric goes in the middle, basically push it on, right, so the dielectric is flush. Okay, right, the jacket, which because I've already got one on the other end I can't do, so I'll just cut that in half. So the jacket, which I took off, normally these are basically sort of held on in place, but I've pulled this off just for the sake of showing in the video. So you take your tools, basically the male conductor will go through the centre part of this. Okay, so that goes inside that, and then as that is pulled down, it pulls the jacket over and locks it in place. And there we are, very tight, very well bonded. Okay, so that concludes today's video. Thank you.